Hello highlighters! It's Dio here once again! Welcome back for another highlight! Yan, o diba sabi ko sa inyo, sunod-sunod na natin ang full reviews natin since na-miss ko kayo. Yan, for this time around, we're going to unbox and feature the yearly tradition at Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf Philippines, the 2024 holiday collections. Yan. And there are total of 5 collections to collect, 2 duffel bags and 3 tumblers. So we're going to show you one by one. So let's start with the first one. So here's the first one. Here's the Affogato duffel bag. Yan. By the way, if you're not familiar with an Affogato, it's an ice cream drink with an espresso that was poured on top of the ice cream. So yun po siya. Sarap nun. That's one of my favorite coffee drink yan. By the way, Coffee Bean is celebrating 20 years, a story in every cup. Yan. And yun, to get one collection, you need to get total of 20 stamps. Yes, 20 stamps. For holiday drinks, the white chocolate the white chocolate ice blended, and that's total of 4, and total of 16 regular drinks. But dapat regular or large lang po siya. Okay. It's okay. Sa mga mahilig magkape, for sure, happy ka dito. Yan, o diba? Pagka November, December, January talaga, no? Only coffee tayo nito sa mga mahilig magkape. O, diba? Turn na sa damit ko. Yan. So, this is a nice bag. Yan. So, what's written here? 2024 Holiday Collection Affogato. Okay. I'll just read the description from their website. So, the duffel bag, Affogato duffel bag, a similar design to the flat white duffel bag. So, that's the other one. But in a warm brown shade, perfect for holiday travels. Diba? Yan. So, medyo malaki siya. Diba? Laki niya. Diba? Kasya yung, so yung tumbler. O, diba? May laman na siya. Diba? So, cellphone here. So, you could put your cellphone on the side if you want. Diba? So, pwede rin dito sa zipper. Yan. Inisa-isa na natin yung feature niya, ha? So, meron siya sa side. Meron dito sa in front. Then, para yan mas safe. May zipper siya dito. Yan. Then, on the other side, yun. It's the same. Yan. And may printed na Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Diba? And here, plain sa likod. Nice yung handle, actually. Then, there's a compartment on the inside. Yan, o. Wait. So, cellphone lang ihawak natin right now. So, para mapakita nyo, yan. Meron siyang lagayan sa loob. Yan. So, which serve as an organizer. Diba? Para hindi sabog-sabog yung item nyo sa loob. Yan. And also, there's a secret pocket. Yan. Meron rin po sa loob na zipper. Diba? So, you could put any item you want to put. Yan. And wait, labas ko lang ha, baka makalimutan ko. And by the way, pwede siyang shoulder bag. Pwede siyang ganyan lang hawak nyo. Pwedeng ganito. Diba? Or, pwedeng ganito. Oh, pwedeng side bag siya. Diba? So, meron siyang adjustable shoulder strap. Yan, parang umaba. Then, may shoulder rest rin siya para hindi masakit. Diba? Ayan, tayo-tayo ng ano. Diba? So, nice. So, yan. Diba? Pwedeng ipamorma. Yan. So, definitely I'm going to use this one agad. So, yan. That's the first one. The Affogato duffel bag. Let's get ready. So, here's the second duffel bag. Yan. So, here's the, wait, I'll just read again the description. Here's the flat white duffel bag. Yan, a cream-colored canvas duffel bag designed with multiple pockets and an adjustable shoulder strap. Yan, nauna lang natin, unahin yung brown. So, yan. Again, it's the same lang naman nung Affogato. And by the way, diba, sa mga hindi familiar, what is flat white? So, it's similar to latte. Yan. So, correct me if I'm wrong, lalo na sa mga coffee connoisseur dyan. So, flat white is espresso with milk na talagang wala siyang bubbles. And I think konting milk niya comparing to Then, pero basta as in wala siyang bubbles and velvet dapat yung milk niya compared to latte. So, yun. So, yan. It's the same. Yan. So, yan. Here's the flat white. So, for me, I'm not, okay naman siya for me, yung flat white. Para siyang cream, actually. But, yun nga, medyo madumihin kasi siya kapag ito. Diba? So, if maingat naman kayo sa mga bags, pwede naman siya. Diba? It depends on you guys. So, yan. So, again, meron na din siyang shoulder strap for your convenience. Yan. So, I'll not flex it anymore na masyado since it's the same lang din naman talaga with the other one. Diba? The Affogato. And here's the, sorry, in plastic. Then, here's the flat white. Okay? So, again, to get this one, you need to collect total of 20 stamps. Okay, so let's proceed now with the 3 tumblers. Once again, here's the flat white duffel bag. Just reading now the next tumbler that we're going to feature. It's a macchiato. Yan, macchiato travel tumbler. Yan, so macchiato. Yan, so familiar kayo sa macchiato, diba? It's an espresso actually. That's with a splash of milk. So, yun. Yun po talaga yung original recipe for macchiato. So, yan. Okay. So, it's a 900 ml, a glossy tumbler with a dual function lid, featuring a stainless steel body and a silicone mat for grip and style. Wait. So, it comes inside this box. Yan. So, nice. May design yung box niya na white. Last year is brown. So, yan. Ay, parang siyang same nung color gray last year. So, it comes with a clear straw. And, yan. Oh, almost the same nga siya. Pero magkaiba, actually. So, ito yung sinasabi na lang may silicone sa baba. Para hindi siya, para sa grip. And, yun. Nice siya for coffee, diba? Yan, sa mga mahilig sa mga ganitong color. Then, for the straw, wait. Let's check. Yan. Pwede siyang i-insert here in the middle. Yan. And pwede rin siyang hindi gamitin. Then, close the lid. Yan. In the middle. Yan. Na-close ko na. Then, open nyo lang to. Para pwede kayong mag-sip. Yan. So, that's the dual purpose of this. Ayun yung sinasabing dual purpose na lid. Okay. So, ano lang siya. Hindi siya tinitwist. Tinatanggal lang siya. And again, yun. Nice, diba? Pwede siyang sip. Or close this one, or use a straw, open this one in the middle, then insert the straw here. Oh, nice, right? Yan. So, it's a stainless steel. I'm not pretty sure. And I'm maganda here. Hindi, painted yung coffee bean. Hindi siya mabubura. Pero possible magasgas to, kaya ingat lang kasi glossy siya. And metallic. Actually, may mga siya. Shining, shimmering, splendid, no? Para siya may glitters. So, yan. And yun, para siyang laser. Laser yung pinaka-logo ng coffee bean. Hindi siya yung paint lang na mabubura. So, yan. Once again, here's the macchiato tumbler. And last but not the least, like what I've told you or introduced to you earlier, here's the latte travel tumbler. So, it's a 32 ounces or 1,000 ml. Ito po yung pinakamalaki. Yan, a powder-coated tumbler with a stainless steel body, built-in straw, a magnetic lid that holds up your phone, and the ability to keep beverages hot or cold for 10 to 12 hours naman siya. Yun. So, isa, sabi dito 12 hours, ito 10 to 12. So, pwedeng yung mainit, lumabig agad after 10 hours. So, yan. So, yun naman yung difference niya. And, yun, ang nice, no? At least yan. Hopefully, ano ko kayo. Na-inform ko kayo what's the difference if isa lang yung kukunin nyo with the tumbler. Hindi lang po siya sa design, but nag-vary po yung mga features niya. Diba? Coffee Bean, baka naman ma-invite ako sa mga next ninyo features na mga tumbler since I'm collecting this one, diba? So, yan. So, may rin, base na silicone para hindi siya madulas. Then, nice to, actually. Taba. Ang nice, no? Actually, that's my favorite color. Pero yung ang nice nung niya. No finish. Yan. So, it's a straw yan dito. Yan. So, sa mga sip. Wait, ito pala siya. Yun. So, ganito naman po siya iniinom. Yan, ganun na. So, yan. Then, buksan lang muna natin. Yun. So, may straw po siya. So, sinisip naman siya. Okay? Yun. So, hindi napapalitan. Kung gusto niyo yung ginaganon lang, hindi siya kaya. So, tatanggalin nyo para inumin to. Pero, di ba? Pero that's the purpose kasi. So, ganun po talaga iniinom. With the lid on. And, what's great about this one is that there's a phone holder. Yan. Sa mga iPhone user dyan, yon. Sa mga may MagSafe, di ba MagSafe tawag dito? Yan, may ring. Ino-hold niya po yan. Oh, di ba? O yan, bibitawan ko para makita nyo. Actually, hindi ganun ka-strong yung niya. Yung tawag dito. Actually, yan by the way I think you need to remove the tape or hindi, ewan ko, hindi ganun kadikit. Natatanggal yung nyo sa likod. I'm not sure ba't ganun? So, please be careful with your phone. Natatanggal po yung metal niya. So, yan. Yan. So para siyang magnet, yung magnet to, then metal sa metal. So, para siyang support lang. So, if ever gusto mong manood while you're outside, so pwede nyo ipatong yung tumbler nyo, then yun. Or hawakan lang yan, then nakaganon kayo. Diba? So, pwede rin ganon. Hindi siya, mahirap siya pag nakatayo. So, nakaganyan lang siya. Okay? And, by the way, be careful since pag iniwan nyo siya na walang laman, tutumba po siya. So, better may laman. Kung gusto nyo, hands-free. Pero like, kung wala ng laman, ingat kayo. Kasi malalaglag po siya. And hindi ganun ka-strong yung magnet niya. So, ayun lang yung comment ko for this one. Okay? So, yan. Hopefully, clear sa inyo lahat. Yan. So, once again, here's the latte tumbler. Okay. For the next one, here's the Cappuccino Travel Tumbler. Yan. It's a 24 ounces or 720 ml. A sleek matte tumbler with a metallic finish. Perfect for keeping drinks hot or cold for up to 12 hours. So, yan. Diba? So, may ganun siyang feature. So, each tumbler, may kanya-kanyang feature siya, diba? So, hindi lang siya nag-vary sa design, diba? Yan. Matte siya, pero glossy rin. Cute nga eh. Yun. Then, may handle siya here. Then, sleek nyo. Pwede siyang one hand lang. Diba? So, it comes with the logo of Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Yan. So, yan. It's an ordinary spout. Yan. Iniikot lang siya. Then, yun. Pero, nice pa din siya. Diba? Then, ang maganda lang here, yung hot or cold drinks daw, ma-maintain niya yung temperature for up to 12 hours. Diba? So cool. And there's what do you call? Silicone mat para hindi siya madulas yun sa ila pagka pinatong nyo kung san-san. And yun, stainless steel yung inside niya. Okay. So once again, here's the cappuccino tumbler. And if you're not familiar, what's a cappuccino? Yan, a cappuccino is an espresso-based coffee with milk. Yan, na mas marami po yung foam. Yan. And actually, yan, di ba, nagbarista rin kasi ako. Ang purpose po actually ng cappuccino, if you're staying for a long time na ayaw nyo, na parang you will have a chit chat with your friends or loved ones in the coffee shop at hindi nyo agad iinumin yung coffee, mas maganda cappuccino. Since yung cappuccino, yung foam niya, ang purpose nun, parang di agad lumamig yung coffee. And so alam niyo na. Kaya foamy po siya. And comparing it with the latte, yan. Kasi here's the latte travel tumbler. Latte po is a coffee with steam milk. Yan. So, hindi siya foamy naman. Mas marami rin ng gatas. So, if makakompare nyo, mas mabilis lumamig si latte versus kay cappuccino. So, that's the difference. Kaya huwag kayong magagalit sa barista. Bakit? Mas maraming foam po si cappuccino. So, that's the purpose of that one. O, diba? May trivia pa kayo. So, once again, here's the cappuccino tumbler. So, that's it, highlighters. Already shown you the 2024 Coffee Bean and Philippines Holiday Collection. Okay. Diba? And another recap. So, here's the Macchiato Travel Tumbler. The Cappuccino Travel Tumbler. And the Latte Travel Tumbler. So, that's the biggest one. Diba? Comparing dito, mas sleek nga lang siya. And ito, may handle. For me, kung may gagamitin ako sa tatlo, ito yung for me pa rin. Yung pinaka-basic niya. And 12 hours kasi yung hot and cold niya. Diba? So, dun tayo sa simple lang. Pero cool. And for the bag, sabi ko naman, gagamitin ko sa inyo. There are a total of 2 double bags. What do you call this one? Wait, I forgot. Sorry. Yon, the affogato and a flat white duffel bag. Nalagay ko na agad siya sa plastic yan, diba? Kasi takot na akong madumihan. Diba? So, yan. And if you're going to choose, yan, for me, mas gusto ko to. And ang difference pala dito yung logo niya ng Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. But dito po, yung pinaka-logo niya yung bilog. Yan. So, that's the different design lang. Sana nga-black na lang to, no? Pero, it's cool pa rin naman. So, yan. So, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you like our video for now. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!